Hi, this is Ashley of Shop Publishing, and today I'm going to show you a promo partner document that helped me to be able to invite friends and family to help me celebrate my book launch. And so maybe you're like me and you have folks who you know or folks that follow you who your book might not be the perfect fit for them. Maybe they know somebody who it is a perfect fit for. So for example, my first book, New Mom Thoughts, Real Questions for Moms with Real Feelings, was for new moms who had just had a baby. So a lot of my friends and family had not just had a baby, but they were excited about my book launch and they wanted to support me. So I've developed what's called promo partners. And so those are, like I said, friends and family who just want to help you out and support, but you want to have them do it in a way that it is efficient and that you're able to reuse those posts, repost them, things of that sort. And so this is a document I've created, and it's my promo partner street team template. And so on here, it gives them very specific details about what it is that you would like them to do, when you would like them to do it, and how they can do it. So this is the template that you would use to create your own. I'll show you what it looks like when it's been created. So here I have my created version for my New Mom Thoughts book. And so it's welcoming them, letting them know how to reach out to me, tagging me, giving them an overview video of what to expect. And so I've broken it up into sections that are going to be easy for folks to be able to understand, Facebook filters, all that kind of good stuff, so that they just feel really supported and have an easy way to be able to reach out. Now, because people learn in different methods, I also created a website, and I just added this to my main website, and same information, just presented in a different way. And so that way you're making it very easy for people to support you, and they know exactly what you'd like them to do. So let's go back to the template. So in this case, when you are filling out this template, you are going to remove the parts that are in brackets, and you'll notice there's notes on the side. And let me backtrack just a little bit. Those two links that I showed you, the website version and a completed version of this template, can be found right here. They're linked right at the top for ease of use. So back to the part that you will do. Simply, you will just take out what's here in the brackets, and then you will type in what is appropriate. So in this case, you would insert the graphic that you have for your new book. You're going to insert the name of your book, and so on. And so any place that you see that there's brackets and something inside of them, they're all in bold print for easy viewing, then you would just take that out and fill in your information there. So if this is a template that you'd find that would be helpful for you, check out the link that's attached to this video.